Sargent. I'm back today with another video, and today I felt inspired by these earrings here. I tried my best to do a color scheme kind of similar. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you guys want to see how I created this look inspired by these little guys, then keep watching. Alright guys, so today I mentioned I was inspired by these earrings. So we are going to do a look very similar to this. I don't know if you guys can see, but these little guys have red lips. I believe that these are blue eyebrows, but I'm going to interpret the blue in another way. So let's go ahead and get started with this. I just thought this would be like a super fun look. I picked up these earrings when I was in Europe at, I think, an H&M actually. So that's the story on these babies. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I think on the eyes today, I'm going to go ahead and do a mustard look. And so I'm going to start out with Colourpop's Paper Tiger and my fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna put this all over my lids and sweep it up into my crease. This is going to be a fairly easy look today. Not very complicated, I don't think. It doesn't require that many products, so I think that that means that it's going to be pretty easy. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in with a flat paddle brush and that same Paper Tiger color, and I'm just going to pat that down onto my lids. Now that I have that on my lids, I'm going to take that same color and just blend it down underneath my eyes along my lash line. Next up, I'm going to be going in with Melt Rubbish. This is out of the Rust Stack, and this is just a slightly deeper mustard color than the Paper Tiger color that I just put down. And I am going to use my fluffy brush and just sweep that into my outer corner and just kind of deepen up this look just a little bit. I'm also just going to run this along the outer corner of my lower lash line as well. Alright, so that's looking pretty good for the mustard. I am going to move on to eyeliner. Today I am going to be using Marc Jacobs Gel Crayon Eyeliner in the color Out of the Blue. So this is just a super true blue, bright blue color. And I'm going to do a cat eye and create a nice little wing, and then I'm also going to pop this down into my waterline. So next up, I am going to pop on some blue mascara on my bottom lashes, and this is the Colourpop blue mascara in color Blue Ya Mind. I went ahead and popped on some lashes. Today I'm using Sugarpill's Precious Lashes, and these have to be my favorite lashes of all time, I think. They are just really nice and wispy and separated, but what I love about them is they don't hide any of the eye makeup. So because they're the way that they're shaped, they're like fanned out and in points, so you can kind of still see through them. So I think that that does it for the eyes today. I'm gonna pop on some highlighter, and I am gonna be using Kat Von D's Thunderstruck. This is a nice golden highlight. I mean, technically it's an eyeshadow, but I wanted to use it today as a highlight because it has a nice gold sheen to it, and I think that that'll work really nicely with the mustard that I have on my eyes. Alright, next up for this look is these little red lips, and I am going to be using Fenty Beauty's liquid lipstick in the color Uncensored. I love the applicator on this. I've used this color before, and I think it is the most perfect red color ever. I am pretty obsessed with it. So guys, that's it for the makeup look today. How do you guys think I did? Do I look like my little earring guy here? I think it's a pretty cool look. Let me know what you guys think down below. As always, let me know if you have any questions. If you do, just go ahead and pop those in and I will be sure to answer them. Today's look was super fun. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram at Sarah Sargent Pepper. That's gonna have plenty of makeup on it, and also my regular life, touring, traveling, all that good stuff. So I hope that everyone has a great day today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!